Namaste and welcome to Sefali's Yoga. In this video, we're going to be looking at walking exercises and low impact workout. Each of these exercises are going to be 1 minute long. Really good workouts, especially if you've got knee pain. You don't have to apply too much impact on your knee at all. So we're going to warm up now. We're doing some marching, and remember, these exercises go at your own pace. You can challenge yourself by going a bit faster. You can also slow down or pause the button when you feel you need to take a break. Always consult your doctor if it's something new that you're starting. And if you're feeling light-headed or dizzy or any sharp pain, stop. Okay, and let's begin. The next warm-up is sidestep and reach. Breathe in and out through your nose. Relax those muscles. Swing your arms. Stepping from side to side. Just move your shoulders. Get the blood pumping to your legs and your arms. Really enjoy these exercises. Remember, you can make it as challenging as you like. Keep smiling, have lots of fun. Okay, now we're just gonna do some side lateral arm raises or jumping jacks. Just crossing the arms in the middle. Always move from your core. Draw your belly in. I'm just doing a little tap on the side, stretching my ankles. Toe tapping. And right, now just widen your stance and just come down and stretch those thigh muscles, inside thigh muscles. Well done. I'm going to now set my timer on, so keep walking. And we'll do it 1 minute, each of these exercises. And let's go. Start off with 1 minute walking. Remember, these exercises are low impact. Move from here. Use your elbows. You can move forward and back or stay on the spot here. Use your waist. Breathe in and out through your nose. Nice way to warm up muscles in your legs, your shoulders. Enjoy these exercises. Feel your waist. Push off with the elbows. Feel your glutes. Stand up tall. Walk. Great. Now we're going to hands and tap and over. Crossing over. Nice and easy. Legs, core, and arms. Open up the shoulders. Mind you don't slip. Okay, next exercise is going to be twist and push. Come up on your toes and push. Yes, push, 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 push. Move from the waist. Push, 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 push. Yes. Good. Move from your waist. Okay, heel tap. Draw your belly in. Nice workout. Working your core. Give it a nice tap. Well done. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to do jumping jacks. Without the jumping jacks, just go from side to side. Remember, what's important is that we keep moving. If we do exercises that are doable, we're less likely to get injured and are able to do more exercises throughout the day, throughout the weeks, and throughout the months. Okay? So, if this is too much, you can slow down a bit and go at your own pace. Okay, the next one is kick. Touch your toes, crunch your abs. Yeah. Draw your abs in. Cross over and twist. Remember, if you get tired, you can always pause and carry on. Or you could do this sitting down too. Yes. How many more seconds? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and there you go. Now, we're going to do repeaters. So, it's 1 minute on both sides. Reach back with the leg. Requires a bit of balance, this. We're going to do the other leg, okay? Find that one leg is always easier than the other one. And this one is my easier leg. Take the leg right back. Yes. Stretch back. Whoops. When you get tired, you feel a bit wobbly. Good time to hold onto the chair or the wall. We're nearly there, so don't stop unless you really want to. Almost done. Okay, now reach, reach. Low, don't lean forward, keep your back. We've nearly done it. Yes. Okay, 1 minute. Finish off with the walking. Stand in the spot. Move from your waist. Get that waist working. Push up with the elbows. Great way to get to 10 minutes. Just grab 10 minutes, put this video on and get on with your exercise. You can feel your heart moving, rate going up, lungs working, get lots of oxygen into your brain, allow you to think clearly, get all the good hormones running through your body. Okay, loosen up those stiff muscles. Always feel better after doing exercise, and just 10 minutes is good enough. If you can't, go out for a walk, wanna switch this video on, and there you go. Breathe in and exhale. Let's just pause it. Okay, breathe in and exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Okay, breathe in, exhale. Slow down the heart rate. Breathe in nice and slow. Exhale nice and slow. Breathe in, interlock your fingers, stretch up, come onto the balls of the feet. Stretch up, keep your elbows down, keep your shoulders down, reach up from the armpits. Softly squeeze your glutes, press the balls of the feet down. Exhale, bend from the hips and relax. Let go of your head. And slowly come up. Namaste. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me your comments if you have any, and like, subscribe, and remember we've got classes every day on Patreon, details of which are on the description below. Your support will go a long way. We are a small channel, so thank you. Namaste.